Morning. So for a bit of a better day today. Yesterday I was in a bit of a low day, and I don't know why. I think we just had one of those days. You're telling me what?
That house better be clean by the time I get back.
Why?
Because you're Cinderella.
But do I get to go to the ball?
Only if you do the housework.
Yay! Yes, madam. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just hold that a minute. Hold that. I've got to do it. Yes, madam. I know you've seen a lot of videos that seem to wear the same t-shirts, because that's all I got. Because the Queen won't let me buy any more clothes, will you, madam?
Well, I will, but you have to wait for the shops to open.
See, I've got to do all my chores before I'm allowed to spend any money. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Morning again. Heading home. There's a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic out today. Is that alright? Kind of. That'll do. That'll do. Well, a week today, back at work on the boat with the general public. Yay! It is quite surprising, some of the people we get on the boat. And the best question we get is we're actually sat there in the hut, because we've got a hut where we can make a cup of tea between trips. And bearing in mind the boat is all moored up next to us as well. Is the boat running? And we got a phone as well, boat phone. The people phone up. Is the boat running? You running today? Or when it's raining? That's the best one. Is it running today? Yeah. Why are you asking? Oh, because it's raining. Right, okay, so a bit of rain, it will stop the service. Do you realise that the boat works on water? Some people. And then when it's really bad out, really bad westerly or southwesterly, blowing about 30-40 knots, and the swell's quite bad, and you know, that's when we seem to get all the old people who can barely walk. They always seem to come out of the woodwork and want to go out on hill walks and walk along the South Coast path, and you know, it's weird why people come out in really torrential, horrible weather when a couple of days before it's been lovely. There you go. Well, good afternoon. I've done my chores. Like the don't laugh, it's not funny. Well, it is. I've done my chores like a good boy, or a good husband. So I might be allowed to be out. I might be able to go out and play. No, I said I'd do it, so I did it. Because that's the kind of person I am. Oh, that's going in. Oh, that's coming out. In fact, it won't jump up these old. Yeah, there you go. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Oh, you fat lummox. This is Garfield. He's seen the food. In it, mate. Yep, you don't always put that. Okay, our road is not fantastic for stuff. And there's a Tesco's van that's just come down. Look. That's probably about the 7th time he's turned. I mean, look at the road. Shocking. Imagine if there's a fire down here. We're still trying. Oh. Better hit my bloody car. Let's go back up the road now. Let's come down and let's go back up. Oh, I swear to God. They're bloody idiots. Well, kudos to the guy who got up and down, so that's the main thing. Oh, coffee time. Oh, but that stir fry went down lovely. Talking to myself again, dear, sorry, and my fans.
What's the date on that?
First of April. It's alright. Right. See you in a bit.